So far we have talked about pages you can open, and pages you cannot. But there is a second kind of control in ZetaFisc, and where money is concerned it is the more important one. Some pages are open to everybody. What changes is not the page. It is the rows you are allowed to see inside it. Payment vouchers work exactly like that. This is Ifioma. She is on the viewer row, the most limited role in the system. It carries one single permission: view reports. She opens payment vouchers, and notice she is not blocked. The menu item is there, the page loads, there is no error and no access denied message. But the register is empty. Not because the company has no vouchers, there are dozens of them, but because none of them are hers. She has not raised any, she does not approve any, and she is not on any payment team. That is the default rule in ZetaFisc. You see the vouchers you raised, and nothing else. Now here is a different person. Amoka is an approver. Her role carries two permissions: view reports, and approve vouchers. Same page. Same company. And now the whole register is in front of her. The reason is straightforward, and it is worth understanding. Somebody who approves payments has to be able to see the payments they are approving. So the approve vouchers permission also widens what that person can see, from just their own vouchers to all of them. This is why you should think carefully about who you give approve vouchers to. It is not only the power to say yes. It is also full sight of every payment in the company. So when you plan your roles, ask two questions, not one. Which pages should this person be able to reach, and how much of the data on those pages should they see? In the next video we will look at the reports, and at the difference between being able to read a number and being able to take it out of the system.